Hey guys, we are excited to launch the new version of our class booking bot using WhatsApp flows on Whautomate platform. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a demo of how easy it is to use the class booking bot on WhatsApp, and also how much more easier it is to set it up on Whautomate platform seamlessly as such. If you're a business that offers group bookings, whether you're a fitness studio, yoga studio, or any other business that offers group bookings for your business, we've got the right solution for you. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's dive into the demo. In order to set up the bot on Whautomate platform, once you log into the platform, navigate to automations menu option under communications. So I'm going to click on that and go to WhatsApp tab. Check if you already have any bot installed. If you already have anything, you can just select all and delete the bot as such, and you can click on add rule to add a new bot. We offer a bunch of chatbot templates for you to get started with. For this demo, I am interested in flow-based class booking chatbot version 2 WhatsApp. I'm going to be clicking on install rule to install this particular bot. It takes a little bit of time to install because behind the scenes we do a lot of the heavy lifting, be it creating the flows, publishing the flow, and also connecting the data exchange endpoints. All of those are seamlessly done for you within Whautomate platform as such. Once this is done, the bot is now installed. The next thing that you want to do is set up some classes for people to book, right? For that, I'm going to go into the appointments menu option, which offers a calendar within Whautomate platform, and you can add a class as such. So I'm going to click on add class, and these are coming from the catalog that I've set up within the platform. So maybe I'll just select Zumba, and I'll just select the staff that offers the class, and I can select a date, maybe tomorrow around the time 6 o'clock. I'll select that, and I also have the option to make it recurring as well, so I'll just make it a daily recurring class as such for 8 consecutive days. So I'm going to click on save. So as soon as I save this, the class will actually be created, and I can see the class is added into the calendar as such. Yeah, and if I go to the next week, and I should see the classes available as well. Now that we've got the classes and the bot set up, let's go into WhatsApp to test out the bot. Now that we have installed the bot on our staging environment, let's just test it out to see how the bot works. I'm going to be sending hi to my staging number, and I should have the bot respond to me. It presents me with a bunch of menu options. Obviously, these are the default options that are available for you as part of the chatbot template. If you want to customize, add new options, or remove options, we can help you do that. At the same time, if you want to have the bot in completely different language apart from English, we can also help you set that up as well. So here I'm going to be clicking on book a class because that's what I'm interested in, and that's what opens up the flow, WhatsApp flow as well within the chat window. So I'm going to be selecting book a class and click on send. This should actually reply me with a message with a call to action as book now. As soon as I click on the book now, it should open up the flow window within the chat as such. So it's opened up the chat window, and it has the class booking flow within the WhatsApp chat window as such, which is pretty cool. I have a couple of options in the first step, which is to select a date, and as I click on the date, it opens up the date picker, and I have the option to scroll through the dates and select the one that I want. As I am selecting the date, behind the scenes it does refresh the screen because it's actually making a call to Whautomate platform and fetching the classes available on the given date as such. So I click on that, and I have a couple of classes on 18th of August. Zumba is the one that we set it up in the previous step, that also comes up as well. So I'm selecting this, and I should have the continue option enabled because I've filled up both the fields required for this particular screen as such. So I'm going to be clicking on continue. This is crucial in the class booking flow. We want to understand the personal details of the person that's actually making the booking. That's why we've got the customer field. Here, if the person is a registered customer with the business on the number that they are chatting with, it'll already display the customer records. This staging environment, because I do a lot of testing on this phone number, I have a lot of customer records, but in real life scenario, you may have one, maybe if they are booking for their family members like kids or parents or grandparents parents, this kind of scenario, you may have more than one customer records on the given phone number as such. I have the option to select this one, and if I scroll down, if I am messaging for the first time, I should also see the register new customer option as well, which will be the only option for a new person as such. So if I select that, it presents me with the personal detail fields. Obviously, we have added these fields as part of the default template. If you want to add more fields, collect more fields like date of birth, gender, we can help you set that up as well. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to be selecting an existing customer, and I'm going to click on continue, which would present me with a summary screen of whatever I have selected so far. And I also have the terms here that the person have to consent to as well. So I can click on read more to read the consent, which is a default booking terms and conditions template as such. If you have specific cancellation policies that you would like to add, we can help you set that up as well. So I'm going to be clicking on I agree to the terms, and I have the option to click on confirm and proceed. As soon as I do that, the platform should actually make the booking as well. So as soon as I did that, it had actually made the booking, and it sent me a confirmation message as well. It's so simple to do that within WhatsApp. Now, if I go back into the Whautomate platform on the 18th of August, it should be this one. And I have 2 participants booked as well, which is one of which is me. That's it, guys. We made it so simple for businesses to actually get started with the class booking solution using Whautomate platform. If you want to try out our platform, we do have a 7-day free trial. You can sign up for a free trial. The link is in the description. Try out the class booking bot as well on our sandbox number. If you want to learn more about our platform, do subscribe our channel. If you want to talk to us, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to show you a demo or discuss more about your business and your use case as well. Looking forward to all of you trying out our platform. Thank you.